Hello guys, welcome back. So we're going to make paper airplanes. We watched a video how to make this one, and it flies pretty well. It just goes directly straight, and we're going to try to create our own paper airplanes. We're going to go into the hallway and see who can fly the farthest. Let's start on making our paper.
Wait, whoa!
I'm doing, so far I have every step on the video that we watched to make, where is it? Okay, right here. But I threw mine over there this time. It flies directly straight.
He has to do mine, guys.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Please, please, please.
You just said it funny.
Oh no. He caught me.
Dang it. I messed up.
Uh-oh. Yep. There. Turn it over.
Do we have any extra paper?
Yeah. That's what's saying right over there. So, how are you doing on yours? Colin, how are you doing on yours?
Just finish up. I know. This is my paper airplane to show in your face. It's the side of your face.
No, it's not. It's the size
Oh, dang it.
of your face. Bada boom. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and like.
For me!
No, no, no.
I forgot how to do it.
Comment down below who you think is going to win. Because I have a very good feeling about who's going to win.
But it has to look good too.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
That's not, no.
Yeah.
I had to fold this a lot. This is going to be a long video. They're all over. Whoa!
Professional artista over here.
No.
I didn't see you.
Oh no.
You're going like,
I never took my tongue out.
well, you went like,
Yes, I did. Up. Put your hands in the air. Just like you just don't care.
done.
You are.
Cough, Dad.
I said that's how old people cough.
I know.
And they're cough in. Get it?
Batman!
Okay, now we're going to go into hallway. Okay,
Go.
3.
Hey!
Okay.
Cheetah! 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 Cheetah makes Scrooge!
Okay, my turn. Uh-oh.
My turn. Ready? That's good. Yes! No!
We still have a couple more rounds to go.
Hey! Cheetah!
I go. No.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Ow! Hey, you cheated on my
I get
turn.
redo.
No!
Yep.
You cheated on my turn.
I get redo. Yep. Okay. Too close.
Hey, you cheated. Bye.
Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye.
Comment down below what you think about our paper airplanes and who you think won.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out and bye.